Welcome, Dangers. Thank you for visiting. So today, another sexy and see-through lingerie. As you can see, it is a bluish purple in color. Look at the detail. This is the front, and as you can see, it is very nice, elegant, and very sexy with a bow detail in the front. And this is the back detail of our panty lingerie. Look at that, very nice see-through mesh detail. It is just a plain, but look at that see-throughness of the panty. Very sexy, dangers. And of course, very affordable also, dangers. Look at that, very nice and good quality and affordability. It is so very thumbs up.